boy, Big Cope Talk Stocks. Let's go over our stock plays for today, Tuesday. Remember, the market closes at 1 o'clock. All right. SPY. As you can see, inverted head and shoulders on the 15. If we are still at this neckline at open, we're in calls. Straight up calls to 600. All right. Same thing with the Qs. IV head and shoulders, if we're in the same place at open, I believe 526 is on the table. 526, we could even hit 530. All right, but we still have a half a day, so that would be something you'd have to hold over Christmas. All right, you have a double bottom on the hourly of IWM. You got a gap fill up there to the left. All right, double bottom, hourly IWM. You want to wait for the neckline to break, or just wait for it to break that 20 EMA. And then I think that should be good enough confirmation. All right, Palantir. We are right at resistance, so we could go back down to support, or we could break above resistance. But I would wait for a full candle close above that resistance, because Palantir will fake you out. So that's IWM, QQQ, SPY, and Palantir. I have a few other things that I posted for my group, the team I'm in. Target, we got an hourly double bottom. All right. First target would be this top. Second target, boom. Resistance, all right. So you got target. Let's look at some other stuff. AT&T. You got this gap to the left. We're at support. As you can see, we double bottom, broke the neckline, came up, came back down, retested the neckline, came back up. That's what leads me to believe we will be filling this gap. All right. Affirm. We got a double bottom on the hourly, right? But what really makes this one, what makes me believe this one's gonna pop is the inverted head and shoulders. So you have one in yellow, then you have a smaller one that I outlined in white. So we have two, and we broke the necklines on both. So I am seeing this target first. That's the neckline of that 1 hour double bottom. Then when we get above that, you see where we're going to the top. So pull up that firm chart, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. What else we got? I went through a lot of charts. All right, Carnival, or an uptrend in the channel. We rejected off the top, back to the bottom, came up, came back down, bounced back up. So once we break these EMAs, we're gonna hit this target and then the top of this trend line, all right, which you can't see because it's a pretty decent move. So this would be the first target, and then the top of the trend line the second. All right, what else do I want to go over? Why not? What do we have here? Trump. Let's go over some Trump. Now, this one's tricky because it could be making the head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. But I also have an inverse head and shoulders here. My projection is we hit that 40 because it needs to go up until its inauguration. That's DJT. Alright. What else did I have? Tesla. I haven't been playing it, but I don't know. I see a head and shoulder. This could be a support. It could bounce off and shoot back up to the top, but I see a little head and shoulders. And 200's down here, so we break that neckline, you get in the puts. Alright. This is one of my favorite charts. It's snow. Why? Because we have a head and shoulder into another little head and shoulder where the 200 moving day average is. So we break that. This see, I had charted this play out all the way back here. I have not gotten into it yet. I want to get into it tomorrow. I want that gap fill. All right, that is a nice move. That is a nice move. So that is snow. All right, head and shoulders into a head and shoulder as we're breaking supports. I love that. All right, this is my open chart. TSM. Why? Look at that. Triple bottom. Boom, boom, boom. Inverse head and shoulder. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Neckline. We broke our neckline. We are now consolidating and flagging above our neckline. So what could happen tomorrow? Tomorrow, we could retest this support, make sure it's solid, and bounce back up. Or we could just go straight up to our target. Okay? 212. Let's say 212.50. All right. So this is one of my number one. This one, Snow, Spy, and or QQQ. I'll probably just do 3. And this was Disney. Originally, I expected it to go up, but it looks like it wants to go down. I mean, originally I had expected it to go down. So that's why you see this 1 here and this 2 here. Those are still my targets if we break this support, because this could be a double bottom. That's why I have this line here. So that would be the neckline. All right, double bottom neckline. So we're gonna react to that one. We're not gonna put projections or guesses or anything. We're gonna react to that one. That was Disney. MU. I'm really liking MU because even if we don't get that full gap fill and we just get this move here, all right, that's still 96. So from 90 to 96, gap fill would be our gap fill would be 103. Okay, 103. So if we can ride this from $90 to 103, life changing. Even if we just get 96, that's a couple 100%. I got low on there. All right, I like low. Low has an hourly double bottom, but it's in a downtrend, so I'm keeping an eye on that. We had that double top neckline break. So we could, in theory, even though we already retested it, so let's see. We break this neckline, we might end up back up here. All right, this is Big Code Talk Stocks, and I believe that is enough charts for you guys. Don't want to overwhelm you. That was, 10 or something? But they're there. And I post these daily on Trading Analytics. I'm a proud member of Trading Analytics. Athletics. I am not a mod on here. I am a member, but they have made me the champion I am, to where I have my side groups of charts. You see? So this is definitely a Discord you want to join, because you got me doing this. And then you have 4 mods that send out actual plays for you, alerts for you. Plus, they're doing the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. This is the 3rd one this year. First 2 were successful. You get chart updates. You get these mods: Ace, Mo, Trade Runner, Nilly. They send out alerts. This is the MVPs, the All Stars. You know, one day it's gonna say, under Nilly, it's gonna say Big Kobe. You heard? Alright, hopefully I'll make some money today, man. I'm going back to bed. It's almost 5 a.m. Woke up at 3. Well, I was awakened at 3 something, and I just been up since. So I said, let's get this work done, and I forgot y'all video. So here it is.